न्यूरोपैथी होती है, डायबिटीज।
We are launching a brand almost again.
ये आलू ना ऐसे
ये रीडिंग रूम में हो रहा है गाइस. Good morning everybody and welcome to a few busy and hectic but productive days in my life. We are back at juggling studies in final year along with content creation and along with now doing brand work also. Just come more info I'll give you in the upcoming segments of the video. So today, as you already know, is going to be a busy day and I thought I'd share a little secret that's been working wonders for my skin. I've been using this amazing vitamin C serum from Plum and honestly it's a game changer. I've been using it for a while now. I can definitely see the difference. This serum contains 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a super stable and effective form of vitamin C. Even after a year, it keeps its potency, which is something you do not see very often. It's lightweight, quick absorbing, and boosted with ingredients like kakadu, plum, and Japanese mandarin. These not only help with dark spots and pigmentation, but also give my skin that natural glow from within. I usually just apply 2 to 3 drops and just pat it in gently. Plus, it's dermatologically tested, so even great for beginners. To give it a try, you can find it on plumgoodness.com or the Plum app, and you can use my code mentioned on the screen for an extra discount. I got ready a little early today and I had some time to spare, so I quickly ordered some banana and some milk for me to have before I go for my postings. And then I quickly made my hair, got my order, had my banana and rushed for my postings. So currently I'm posted in the dermatology department and it's a very small posting, just 2 weeks. Last 3 postings were really short. Pediatrics was 1 month, ortho was again 2 weeks, and now derma is again 2 weeks. Now when I'm editing this video, my medicine posting has already started and it just gives me goosebumps to think about it, that these are the last 2 postings, medicine and surgery, and then I'll be done with final year.
small fiber न्यूरोपैथी होती है, डायबिटीज, वैस्कुलाइटिस, ठीक है, एक्सेप्ट फॉर पैन हमारी 2 बारी होती है, बताओ कौन सी? पैन क्या है? पॉलीआर्थराइटिस.
So as I came back from class, Zoya had her medicine ward leave the next day. So I just told her कि चलो मुझे भी पढ़ा दो, because मैंने अभी ज़्यादा medicine नहीं पढ़ी है. So we both started discussing medicine and honestly this was one of the most fruitful 1-hour sessions of discussion जिसमें हम दोनों we could gain a lot together. Anyway, post this, she had to go for her bath and I came back to my room, changed, and now it's time to get back to studies. Right now I'm obviously finishing derma because I just have 2 weeks to finish up the entire syllabus. There are like 27 something videos in Marrow and I finished them all up in this 2-week span, which was great. And then I had my lunch. A lot of you were asking me where do I order my lunch from. So this is basically from Om Kitchen. I'll already give you a sort of warning. This is thoda sa expensive because this is organic food, but the good part is that they deliver everything fresh, so hot meals are delivered to you, unlike a few other food delivery services जिसमें वो blast freeze करके deliver करते हैं. And this is not at all sponsored. I really like the food and I feel that it's nutritious and you guys were asking, so I thought of sharing it with you. Also, I don't know if it's just me या फिर ये सबके साथ होता है, but I feel like changing my study spots every 2 hours. I try to switch between my bed and then my study table and then again repeat, because I get bored and I feel like a change of environment brings a fresh perspective. I don't know, my brain starts working better if I keep changing on my environment. This is a small study hack that I use, and if you too use it, do let me know in the comments below.
Slide backwards and nicely relax it. Shashank forward. Shifting the body weight forward, slowly getting up, slowly getting up. Now, out of which point we have not lifting the body upwards.
Hello everybody. everybody. So I'm done with my पढ़ाई for the day. Not actually done, अभी थोड़ी सी बची है, but I've taken a break of an hour जिसमें अब मैं अपना brand work ख़त्म करूँगी जितना भी है. I just like to give 1 hour through the day और मैंने decide किया है कि मैं 1 घंटा ही दूँगी रोज़. A lot of people had confusions कि मिताली ये कौन सा brand work है जिसकी बात you're doing. So let me just explain it to you quickly. If you're following me since the past 1 year, you know मैंने last year calendars और journals निकाले थे. And this time I'll be relaunching these products bigger and better, and yes, it's going to be exciting, and I myself am very excited. And honestly, juggling so many balls at the same time is tough, and मैंने बहुत contemplate किया कि मुझे ये करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, but honestly I couldn't resist myself, तो मैं ये कर रही हूँ again. But I'm trying my best to delegate work. Now we have थोड़ी सी हमारी छोटी सी एक टीम भी है जो सब लोग मुझे हेल्प कर रहे हैं in this process. We're already halfway done through the planner, and we're figuring out a lot of stuff like packaging. इस बार we're launching it as a brand, तो logos क्या होंगे, and we'll make an Instagram page and सब कुछ होगा. So it's going to be exciting. I want you to watch out and pray for all of us that this happens अच्छे से. Okay, now on to my work. Also, this is something that I've been wanting to ask you guys since a long time, that if you bought the journals and calendars last year or the hampers last year, do you have any feedback for us? Anything that you think we can improve in the product, in the delivery, in the packaging, in the dispatching process, in letting you know anything of that sort? Please drop it in the comments. You can also drop an email to me. My email ID is mentioned in the description, and currently I'm working on the designing process. We also have a couple of designers this time who are also helping me. So yes, I am trying to make everything bigger and better this time, because last year I was the only designer and I felt that I couldn't design it as good as I had imagined it, because I'm not a professionally trained designer. I just do it because I like doing it, and I don't have the practice or the skills to do it. But don't worry, you'll get to see a lot of my personal touches like doodling and everything, which I know you guys loved last year, so it will be there in this year's products too. Now it was time for dinner quickly. While I'm in hostel, again there's this peculiar habit of me कि मैं अपना dinner 7-7:30 maximum 8 तक कर लेती हूँ, because on the days I do yoga I tend to feel hungry a little earlier, but when I'm at home I honestly do my dinner at around 8:39, and तभी भी it's like I'm not very hungry. I don't know why does this happen with me, but yes, this is the thing. And hostel में मेरा जो टाइम टेबल है, मेरी दिनचर्या काफ़ी बेटर रहती है.
The next day.
Good morning. And as I was returning from class today, I got this package for which I was really excited. This package actually contains the first sample of our packaging for the brand. This time I'm also getting a custom made packaging for the brand, because last year हमने कार्डबोर्ड्स के साथ बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस किया था, because A, they're not waterproof and हमारे products are literally papers, तो वो ख़राब हो जाते हैं, and B, the cardboards get very easily deformed क्योंकि courier वाले उसको अच्छे से treat नहीं करते हैं. So this time I thought that we'll make a cardboard box, and उसके बाहर से we'll put this courier bag which will have our logo and our custom designs and everything. मैं अभी इसको blur out कर रही हूँ because I really want you guys to see it once it's launched, and I hope you guys love it. मुझे ये sample काफ़ी पसंद आया, and I think we're going with this.
Squeeze, placing the hands exactly to the side of the foot. Inhale, right leg at the back. Activation of the right side of the body. Ashtanga Namaskar, normal breathing. Toes, knees, elbow bend, chest and chin.
जला तो नहीं दोगे? इधर देख के बोलो।
हाँ दिख रही, मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है। ये देखो, इसमें ये आलू ना ऐसे थोड़ा मैंने ज्यादा पानी डाल दिया और अब वो गल नहीं रहे हैं। बात ये है कितने देर के लिए रखूँ गलने के लिए?
बहुत देर लगती है आलू गलने में।
यार तो हमें जितना ध्यान देने को दे देंगे, लेकिन अभी मुझे दिखता नहीं है।
सेम थोड़ी होती है यार, हम फाइट होती है, हम शब्द हो रहा है।
श्रेया तुम भी लेफ्ट से खेलती हो और तुम लिखती लेफ्ट से हो।
ये सब कुछ
ये मेरे जैसी है भाई,
मैमी जैसे
सेम सेम।
आप दूर जा,
मैं भी लेफ्ट से खेलती हूँ।
इधर ही खेलने लगा।
फोन चलाने से तो बहुत बेटर है बैडमिंटन खेलने
अब
में।
उठाया फोन पूरे दिन में।
रीडिंग रूम में बाय द वे कल मेरी वार्ड लीव है, जस्ट FYI।
चांस है
ये रीडिंग रूम में हो रहा है गाइस। ये यहाँ ऐसे होती है पढ़ाई भाई। क्या Hi guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but I have just got done with my brand work. आज बहुत सारा काम था, पढ़ाई भी मैंने कर ली है more or less। कल वार्ड लीव है डर्मा की एंड कल आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग होम। बट अभी मुझे याद आया कि मैं यूट्यूबर भी हूँ, मैं वीडियोस भी बनाती हूँ, तो संडे वाला वीडियो का एडिट होना है, तो आई जस्ट रिमेम्बर्ड कि वो सब भी है, तो बस अभी वही कर रही हूँ। वी आर लॉन्चिंग अ ब्रांड ऑलमोस्ट अगेन। येस, अगर तुम मुझे एक साल से ज़्यादा से फॉलो कर रहे हो तो यू नो मैं लास्ट ईयर कैलेंडर जर्नल्स की। एंड दोज वर अ कपल ऑफ डेज वेरी हेक्टिक एंड वेरी बिजी येट वेरी प्रोडक्टिव एंड वेरी फुलफिलिंग इन माई लाइफ। I hope you enjoyed this one. Right now I'm very tired and I will see you on the next Sunday 11 a.m. Stay tuned. Okay, bye.